Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. Mark Robert Michael Wahlberg was born on June 5, 1971 in Boston, Massachusetts, United States of America. He is an actor and singer who first entered the world of show business as the lead singer of the band called Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. His band released the song Good Vibrations, which became a #1 hit on the Billboard Hot 100. Their debut album Music for the People was also a big hit. It is through music that he rose to fame. Mark couldn't be left out in terms of joining other renowned celebrities in owning a mansion in Beverly Hills. This mega mansion, and one of the most expensive, is worth a whopping $87.5 million. Its unique design and interior decor are worthy the penny. Seated on a 1.64 acres, it boasts of 12 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms. What a breathtaking mansion it is! Located in a serene environment, it consists of a huge main house, separate guest house, poolside cabana, and viewing pavilion beside the full-size sports court. Limestone floors and hallways lead to a sumptuous formal living room with 2 fireplaces, one at each side of the room, and no fewer than 6 sets of French doors. Even more impressive is the wood-paneled library, which stands 2 stories tall and offers a marble fireplace of its own. A sunny breakfast room overlooks the estate grounds, while a separate formal dining room offers a crystal chandelier, patterned wallpaper, and another fireplace. Upstairs, the master bedroom has dark brown hardwood floors, a sitting area and private balcony, plus dual bathrooms and closets done up in delicate whites and lavenders. His more masculine with wood-paneled everything and thickly veined marble slabs. It contains other amenities, which includes, but not limited to, a glass-wall gym, wine cellar with tasting room, movie theater with plush seating for 15+ guests, several wet bars, vast lawns, numerous mature trees, an outdoor skate park, outdoor kitchen, golf greens, a grotto-style pool with waterfalls and formal gardens. channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!